Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 41. This question is from GATE 2001 exam. Let us read the question. A half wave thyristor converter supplies a purely inductive load. Okay, so here the load is purely inductive as shown in the figure. If triggering angle of the thyristor is 120 degree, if alpha is equal to 120 degree, the extension angle, that is a beta, we need to find. Okay, so always keep in mind, for a purely resistive load, for purely resistive load, purely resistive load, right? For purely resistive, yes, the time taken, right? Time taken by load register, sorry, for purely inductive load, I'm sorry, for purely inductive load. Okay, because load is inductive, right? So for purely inductive load, time taken by inductor to release energy is always equals to time taken by inductor to store it, or to store it. Okay, this is a very important point. Okay, so whenever the load is purely inductive, at that time always keep in mind whatever, for how much time the inductor stores the energy, right? The inductor requires the same time to release the energy. Okay, so if you check here, at alpha is equal to 120 degree, right? At alpha equal to 120 degree, we are applying the gate signal, right? We are applying the gate signal to the thyristor. Okay, let us consider the current flowing through the inductor is I0. Okay, so if we draw the waveform for the I0, yes, here the omega t, right? 0, and suppose this is 120 degree, right? 120 degree till 180 degree. Okay, so from 120 to 180, supply voltage is positive, right? So at 120 we are applying the gate signal to thyristor. Current starts flowing from Vs, thyristor, load, and again back to the Vs. So inductor go on storing the energy from 120 till 180. From 120 till 180, inductor stores the energy. Inductor stores the energy. Okay, so inductor stores the energy till 180 degree. Okay, after that what will happen? After 120 degree, the supply voltage polarity is reversed. Okay, so inductor opposes the sudden change in the current. Okay, so here whatever the energy stored by the inductor will release the energy in opposition to that of the supply voltage and through the thyristor. Okay, so for how much time the inductor will release the energy, if you check, from 120 to 180, means it is totally one, it is total 60 degree, right? Means inductor is storing the energy for 60 degree. Okay, so therefore inductor will take next 60 degree to release it. Okay, so inductor will take next 60 degree to release it. So the waveform will be, it is like this, roughly it will be like this. Okay, so 180 plus 60 degree means for 60 degree inductor is storing the energy. So for next 60 degree inductor will take to release the energy. Okay, so 180 plus 60, what is a 240 degree. Okay, so this 240 is nothing but beta, this 120 is nothing but alpha. Is clear? Okay, so in the case of inductor, whatever the time taken by the inductor to store the energy, inductor always takes the same time to release it. Okay, so here beta is equal to 240 degree. So correct option is option E, right? This is about the question number 41. In the next video, we are going to discuss the question number 42. Thank you.